step Gaunakara, and it was like Juga Dharma Palan and Nam Prem Prachar, but the Anarpita Charinchirat would be the first one. And how is this? Like, I was confused between this Anarpita Charinchirat slok and the Juga Dharma Palan and Nam Prem Prachar, and also Ragam Magra Bhakti Lokuriti Pracharan. So how? What is the? I could not reconcile all these different. Yeah, but maybe they're same. Like Anarpita Charinchirat, Ragam Magra Bhakti Lokuriti Pracharan, same. Or Nam Prem Prachar is same thing of the Ragam Magra Bhakti Lok.
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained Chaitanya Charitamrita. Why Krishna has come in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandana Gaura. What is the reason? Then Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita, he explained, Prem Ras Nirjas Kurti Asada. राग मार्गे भक्ति लोग करिते प्रचार रसिक शेखर कृष्ण परम करुण यही दुई हेतु लीलार उद्गम why Krishna has come in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandana Gaura. He explained this. Krishna he is called Rasik Shekhar Krishna. Krishna is very expert how to rally the highest prem from the heart of Srimati Radhika. He is a Rasika. Because Krishna, Vrindavan Samsundar, he is called Dhir Lolik Nayak. So Rupa Goswami Pad explained who is called Dhir Lolik Nayak. He has 4 qualifications. First, Navajovanancha. He is always ever fresh, youthful form. Nischintata, always calm and quiet and free from all kinds of anxiety. Third, Prayasi Vasubhuta. Then, who is Dhirgalidhanath, is completely controlled by his consort. Or fourth, that is called his Prema Chaturya. He is very expert to speaking very nice sweet words and intoxicated heart. So these are the 4 qualifications of Dhirgalidhana. So Krishna in his Brajalila, he released all kinds of rasas. Dasa, Sakha, Vatsala and Madhurya. And also he released Srimati Radhika's prem. Everything is. But Krishna is thinking, what kinds of prem in the heart of Srimati Radhika? Is Srimati Radhika she completely bewildered for me? I am not bewildered for her. Not bewilderment for her. But she bewilderment with me. When she saw the black rain cloud, she thinking, I am there. She tried to embrace the blackish rain cloud and this was like that. When she saw the black tamal trees, then she is thinking, I am there. She embraced. Actually, I am not there. Ama bhrame tamalere kare alingan. When she heard just the rubbing the 2 branches of the trees, they are thinking, this is my Venugit, sound of my throat. She running. Why? What kinds of prem in her heart? Everybody attracted with my beauty, with my sweet bodily fragrance. This is true. But what kinds of prem of Srimati Radhika? So for your Sarup Damodar, he quoted this verse, Sri Radha Prana Mahima Kriduso Banaiva Sabdo Jana Madhurima Kriduso Bamadiya Sukhancha Madhurima Kriduso Beti Lobhat. Ginger, no? Tadbhavadya Samajan Sachigarva Sindhu Harindu. The three regions, Sri Radha Pranay Mahima. What is the glories of divine love towards me? Pranay Mahima. What is the glories of love of Srimati Radhika towards me? Sri Radha Pranay Mahima. Krithu Bhav Madhyos. What is my beauty? Always Srimati Radhika sees releasing. Third, when Srimati Radhika she released my sweet beauty, what kind of feeling coming in her heart? For this reason, Krishna, I think I have to taste these three things. For this regard, he appeared in the womb of Mother Sachi Devi in Navadvip Dham. Sachigarva Sindhu Hari Indu. Radha Pranamima Kriduso Banaiva Satyojana Madhurma Kriduso Madhya Sukhancha Madhurma Kriduso Viti Bhavat Tadbhavadya Samajana Sachigarva Sindhu. Actually, this is the main reason why Krishna has come in this Kali-yuga in the form of Sachidananda. Yeah, that is called Mukha Karan. Mukha Karan, understand? Internal region. Okay. Then, second internal region, what is that? The calling of Advaita Acharya. A Lord descended from Golok Vrindavan, but he transcendental world in this material world. When his great devotee calls him, he comes. Otherwise not, he will come. Understand? Brahma, he calls, then Lord appears in this material world. Srimad Bhagavatam, when Kamsa, Jarasandha or demon, they committed sinful activities, then Prithvi Devi cannot tolerate. That time Prithvi Devi manifested in the form of cow, Surabhi, and asked the demigoddess, please protect me. I cannot tolerate the sinful activities of Kamsa and other demons. Then demigod, we cannot to defeat Kamsa. We cannot kill to Kamsa. Yeah? The demon now is very powerful. That time demigoddess, they pray to Brahma. Even Brahma told, I cannot do what, help you. It is better to go to Lord Vishnu. Then all demigoddess headed by Lord Brahma, they came in what is called Khir Samudra. Yeah? The ocean of milk, Khir Samudra is there. Then when they came Khir Samudra, then the Brahmaji, he prayed to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu, he was taking rest. Then Brahmaji, he prayed, hey Lord Vishnu, please come and to protect the Prithvi Devi. That time Lord Vishnu, he told, okay, soon my master, then Vaidyananda Samsundar will be appear. Bekhana sarti to Vishwaguptai Sakhe Vidyavan Saptatang Kule. So in this way, Lord, he comes when his great devotee calls. Understand? Okay. So, here who is the great devotee? Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya is not ordinary person. He is 1,000 times higher than Brahma. Eh? Advaita Acharya is called the Mahavishnu avatar, the incarnation of Mahavishnu. Eh? Mahavishnu avatar, Advaita Acharya. And also the combined form of Sadasiva. So Advaita Acharya, he called. Why? Advaita Acharya, when he came in Navadvip Dham, then he saw that people are completely contaminated in Navadvip Dham. Even the Panditas, they are not chanting holy names, not following any principles, just they're speaking. Not they following the Veda or rulers. They worship demigod, demigoddess. No one chanting holy names. Kali Yuga Dharma Nam Sankirtan. But Panditas, they are not chanting holy names. And impartialists, so many impartialists, Shankar philosophers, Advaitavadi, Mayavadi, Aham Brahmasmi, they said, they are chanting Aham Brahmasmi. And they also kill the animals. Na Dev Devi chole, Devi Puja chole, tara kore Posubodh. They kill the animals, goats and other animals they are killing. Just pretending to the worship the demigod, demigoddess. Advaita Acharya, when he saw this, then Advaita Acharya become very angry. Then Advaita Acharya thinking, I am the creator, I am the destructor. Mahavishnu, he creates his material world, his duty. And Sadasiv, his duty to destroy. So he creates and he destroys. Then I can destroy the Advaita become very angry. Then one aerial sound came and pacified to Advaita Acharya. Here Advaita Acharya keep patient. Then Advaita Acharya, if Krishna Bhajananda Samsundar will not appear, then I will destroy everything. Then again aerial sound to okay, Bhajananda Samsundar he will come in Navadvip Dham. He will re-establish Varnashram Dharma, and he will establish everything. And he will Yuga Dharma Prachar, he will preach Nam Sankirtan. Kali Yuga Nam Sankirtan, Mahamantra. Then Advaita Acharya's anger coming down. Then Advaita Acharya very happy. Then Advaita Acharya, he took the water of the Ganges and Tulasi leaves and offered to Lord Vishnu. Varinandana Samsundar. Tulasi dolo matrina jalasya chuluke nava Victrinite bhaktiva bhakta vatsalya. Lord is one qualification is that if anybody just offer Tulasi leaves and Ganga Jal, Lord will be give everything. Lord is so much love and affection to things. What is that? The water of the Ganges and Tulasi leaves. Tulasi dolo matrino jalasya chuluke nava. Victory. Lord, he also sold out his soul to his devotee. One who offered Tulasi jal and Ganga jal. Tulasi leaves and Ganga jal. So Advaita Acharya, great devotee. Understand? Krishna, he appeared according to Bhagavad, the calling of Brahma. And now same Krishna, he comes, the calling of Advaita Acharya. Actually, this is not time to Krishna come. Krishna already came in Dapar Yuga, Bhajanandan Samsundar. So why will he again come? That is the duty of Yuga Avatar. Yuga Avatar's duty to Varnashram Dharma, re-establish Varnashram Dharma, and kill the demon. Is the duties of hey, sit here. Listen. When Hari Katha, don't disturb. Listen. Hari Katha is very important. Hari Katha is non-different from Krishna. Krishna Katha, listen. And if you listen Krishna Katha, Krishna enter in your ears and destroy all your anarthas. So now Kundi, what did he say? Calling Advaita Acharya. So
It was not the time for
this is not time to Krishna, Varnandana Samsundar he would come. Establish Varnashram Dharma, Yuga Dharma, Nam Prem Prachar. This is the duty of Yuga Avatar. Sattva, Yuga, Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Kali. 4 Yuga Avatar. This is the duty. Yeah? Krishna is not Yuga Avatar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not Yuga Avatar. Yeah? He is Supreme Personality of God, he is saying Bhagavan, Varnandana Samsundar. But Advaita Acharya he called. You know you have to come. Eh? He doesn't want to come. Eh? Because everything is fixed. Who will come, what time, everything is also mentioned in our Shastra. Eh? Which time, whose Yuga Avatar will come, what is his duty, everything planned. Eh? Understand? Not just change mind. Eh? Morning saying one thing, then midday saying one thing, then night time adding thing, again morning. No. Eh? Everything should be fixed. Eh? So this is the fix. The Varnandana Samsundar you have to come. When? The end of Dapar Yuga, one day of a Brahma, then the end of Dapar Yuga, then Varnandana Samsundar he comes. This is the duty. Eh? Chaitanya Chaitamrita explained. Brahmar ek dine teho on avatirna. One day of Brahma, then Varnandana Samsundar he comes. Every Yuga he does not come. Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Kali. In this way, 1000 rotation. Then Varnandana Samsundar he comes. Now question is coming. Already Krishna came, Varnandana Samsundar came. End of Dapar Yuga. So now Kali Yuga, the Yuga Avatar will come. His duty to re-establish Varnashram Dharma. And his duty to Nam Prem Dharma Prachar. And this is actually the Yuga Avatar, Vishnu Yuga Avatar, his name. And Vishnu Dare Kare Asura Sanghar. Varnandana Samsundar, he is not duty to kill the demon. Varnandana Samsundar, he is not duty to Nam Prem Prachar. But now emergency case has come. What is the emergency case? Advaita Acharya, he is calling Mahavishnu Avatar, combined form of Mahavishnu Sadasi. So in emergency duty coming, and that time you have to understand. Some emergency duty, and that time some rules stop. That time one special rules come. That is what rule is called military rules. Understand? Military rules coming. Understand? When emergency coming, that time military rules. That time police has so much power in their hand. Understand? Understand? If anybody do any mistake this way, they will give in the spot punishment. In the same. If they know, arrest him, put in the jail, go to the court, then court will give, judge will give decision, and after 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, no. Emergency period, and that is called apatkalin law, emergency law. That time so much power in the hand of military police. Understand? In the same way, Advaita Acharya, he calls Subharananda Samsundar. You have to come. Otherwise, I will destroy everything. Because I am creator. I am destruction. But Advaita Acharya is again very humble, and he also calls to him. How? Offering Gangajal and Tulasi. And Krishna is also, this is nature. If anybody to offer Tulasi leaves and Gangajal, then Krishna will come. Krishna is saying in this verse, Tulasi dolo matreno jalasya chuluke nova. Jalasya chuluke nova means one drop of water. Chulu means if you put the water in the what is called, palms of your hand, how much water will come here? Only few drops. Not lot of water. Take one glass and offer to them. Understand? No. Some people, they are offering water to sun god, taking lot of water and the Om Sujaya Namaha, Om Sujaya Namaha, and offering, maybe 10, what do you call, 10 liters water, offering, sorry. But here saying, no, Chulasukena. Chulu means is what? Achman. When the what drop of water we putting in our hand and achman. That is called Chulu. Chulu question. Sanskrit word. Understand? This one. Then are one tulasi leaves, not many. Tulasi manjari, two sides two tulasi leaves and middle manjari. If you offer to Lord, Lord is saying, Vikrinita, I completely sold out myself. Krishna is saying. So Advaita Acharya did this thing. Maybe Krishna would not come. But when Advaita Acharya offered tulasi leaves and Gangajal, then Krishna is come. So this is also main reason. First reason, Krishna is thinking, I have to come. Maybe he would come later. But when Advaita Acharya calls, he cannot stay in Golok Vrindavan. Understand? So this is the two main reasons of Krishna appears in this Kali Yuga conversation of Guru. This is the Mukhya Karan, internal reason. And secondary reason, how many? Again two. Nam Prem Dharma Prachar. Nam Prem Dharma Prachar, this is actually Juga Avatar. And re-establish Varnashram Dharma, killing the demon. But when Bhajananda Samsundar, he comes and automatically all his incarnation inside. Understand? All Juga Avatar inside in Krishna. So now Kali Juga Avatar inside Krishna or not? So many people confused. In this Kali Yuga, end of Kali Juga Avatar will come or not? No. Because already Krishna has come and inside his Juga Avatar, Kalki Avatar has come. So no need to come again. Already Kalki Avatar, Juga Avatar inside with Krishna. When Krishna comes, that time all his incarnation is there. But Krishna is coming, so Juga Avatar is Nam Prem Prachar. This is duty of Juga Avatar. So inside Krishna, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Juga Avatar. Eh? Because Krishna is called Purnatama. Understand? Complete, absolutely, and Purna, full. So all goodness. So when Krishna comes and all Yugavatar inside, now mainly Yugavatar, whose duty is Prem, Nam Prem Prachar, he also comes. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this way, inside his Yugavatar, he also prays and giving to Prem. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. He distributes what Prem? Highest Prem. Highest Prem he is giving. Ordinary Yugavatar, they are giving Vaikuntha Prem or Mukti. Because those who killed by the hand of Lord Vishnu, they will get liberation. Vishnu Hata. And those who are killed by Lord Vishnu, they will get liberation, mukti. I say many kinds of mukti also. How many types of mukti? Mainly 5 types of mukti. Salukha, Sashti, Samippa, Sajujan, Samippa. This mukti, 5 types of mukti are there. Oneness with Brahma also. Oneness with Brahma means they will not become Brahma, just they staying inside Brahma. And there goes. But those who are demon killed by Lord Vishnu, they automatically get Sajujya Mukti. Oneness with Brahma. Oneness with Brahma means here is not they will become Brahma. They are staying inside Brahma. As like if you drop one stone in the water, the stone staying by laying under the water. In the same way, those demons killed by Lord Vishnu, they are staying in Brahma. As like stone. That is called Brahma Sajujyam. Or some they are getting also Ishwar Sajujya Mukti, Paramatma Sajujya, many types of muktis are. Now rest, how many? 4. Salukha, Sashti, Samippa and Salukha, Sashti, Samippa and Salukha, Sashti, Samippa and Sarupa. 4 types of mukti. Actually, those are devotees, they can get these 4 types of mukti. For this regard, explain. Again, also explain that is called Prema Seva Uttara and Sukha Oishwarya Uttara Mukti. So, actually, why I am saying this thing? This is very complicated for you to listen or understand. Because those who, this is the duty of Yugavatar. This is the duty of Yugavatar, give the liberation mukti. Vaikuntha mukti or Brahma Sajya mukti, anything of mukti. This is not duty of Vaidyanatha Samsutta. But Vaidyanatha Samsutta Sundar, he is giving highest mukti. So for this regard, what is the highest mukti? Mukti jannatha rupam sasarupana vyavastati mukti. There are many definitions of mukti. One who realizes his transcendental constitutional form and direct serve to his Ishtadeva Divine Radha and Krishna. That is called perfect mukti. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna, he gives highest prem. What prem? Braja prem he gives. Any incarnation cannot give this to Braja prem. Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. Krishna says, Ama bina nahi dite, Ama bina Braja prem nahi anne. Very clearly explain this. Only Brajanana Samsundar, he will give which prem? Braja prem. Other incarnation, they will give what prem? Vaikuntha prem. Yeah, Vaikuntha means Maha Vaikuntha Ayodhya, Dwarka, Mathura, these types of prem can give. Yeah. But Varinandana Samsundar, he gives highest pleasure prem. And Sakka, Vatsal and Madhurya. Eh? Eh? General people give donation something this. How much donation will give? Eh? Nothing. One coin. And one poor person asks you, how much you give donation? Maybe one cloth will give. And one blanket you can give. Eh? Understand? Because everything is your limit. Eh? You cannot give to everything to him. Eh? But when, if you ask the king will love because he has vast of land, he has vast of wealth, property. Then one poor person asking the simple rich person. The rich person will give one blanket, one cloth, and maybe give one land to you. But if you ask to the king or emperor, oh, I am poor, give him. Then emperor will say, emperor understand? He say, okay, take, how much do you want? Take. As like Bali Maharaj. Bali Maharaj, he asked to Vaman Dev, what do you want? What I want Tripad Bhumi. 3 steps of your feet do you want? I am king. Bali Maharaj said, I am the king of Tribhuvan. Tribhuvan understand? Sarga, Marta and Patal. Eh? Tribhuvan. Understand? I am the king of heaven. I am the ruler of Prithvi Devi. I am the ruler of also Patala Loka. What do you want? Or you want only Tripad Bhumi? Eh? Or you ask me? Eh? I give vast of land. And I can build a temple. You are Brahman boy. And I can build for you one very nice golden temple for you. Why did you ask only 3 steps? And of a feet of the land. Eh? Bali Maharaj laughed, ha 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 ha. But he doesn't know who has come in front of him to beg him. Why I am saying these things? Just to give an example this way. Varinandana Samsundar is the source of incarnation, the Sarvavatar. Then he will give donation, not the these types of mukti. Saluka Sasti Samippa or Sarupa, this mukti. This ordinary mukti is incarnation. Just to give an example, if you come in front of rich person to ask some begging, or if you come in front of king, difference. In the same way, Varinandana Samsundar is thinking, my incarnation, they are giving these 4 types of mukti. So how possible I will give same thing? So what is my specialty? What is my specialty? Krishna is thinking this way. Then people will be say, oh, your incarnation giving same thing or you are giving same thing. So what is the difference? Everybody want to maintain his own status. Understand? This is nature. So Varinandana Samsundar is thinking same thing. If I give these types of mukti, 4 types of Saluka Sasti Samippa, or Sajuj, anything like me. So what is the difference for me and my others incarnation? So Varinandana Samsundar is thinking, no, I will taste the highest prem of Srimati Radhika, and same that the sprinkle of mood of Srimati Radhika I will give. For this regard, Prem Ras Nirjas Korit Asadan और राग मार्गे भक्ति लोग करिते प्रचार. And then he is thinking, I have to do this. And but how the people they will receive this Praja Prem? They have to learn Rag Marga Bhakti Lok. And because people they don't know what is a Rag Marga. People they know about only Vaidhi Marga. Because all the Juga avatars they preach about Vaidhi Marga Katha. This is things. And before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all acharyas they also preach Vaidhi Marga Katha. Understand? This is true. If I speak the same Katha, I listen this same Katha. Maharaj, another preacher also came, also same Katha. You are saying same Katha. So what is the speciality? Yours. Audience want to listen what things? New. Your house program, her house program. But same prasad you prepared, also she prepared for some. So what is the difference? You have to do something which is some special. They will say, yes, there's house. Understand? Western people want these special things. What do they think? Ice cream? Ice cream festival. And another, what is called? Chocolate festival. And special thing coming, then think, yes, this festival. Are the same potato, sabji and same here. Even in my house also eating every day same potato sabji. Or your house also. Okay, potato sabji can do. In a house my also rice, but some special will come, then everybody will be remember to you. Other this is true. If you have anything, if you do special, then everybody remember to you. Okay, I went my friend's house, I ate some special things which I never ate before. Then remember. Our special thing also doing same. Varnandan Sahib is thinking this way also. All my incarnation giving these types of mukti. So far the Krishna also said this. If I give, even my devotees, they don't want. Those who are high class exalted devotees, they don't want these four types of mukti also. Dhyamanan na grinnanti mat sevanang jana. Very clear. Even those who are high class devotees, they don't want to receive these four types of mukti alone. What we see is the Sajuja mukti. So Vaidyananda Samsundar, now he has come in the form of Seshanandana Gaur Hari, and he indiscriminately distributed this way. How is he also generous? He did not discriminate which qualified or unqualified. Ano avatare, in this incarnation of Vaidyananda Samsundar, he did not discriminate which qualified or unqualified. Jare dake tare then prem to them. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Dharma Krishna's, he had two specialities coming. His others incarnation giving the prem, also mukti, other things, according their qualification. Or Vaidyananda Samsundar, he distributed this prem, highest prem, Braja prem, Radha prem. This is true, this sprinkle of prem of Srimati Radhika. There is a Manjari Bhav. But this prem he is giving without discrimination. This is also one thing. He is giving highest things and also without discrimination. Look, this is the specialty of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is called Ati Udar. One person is Udar. Udar means, what does it mean Udar? Magnanimity. Udar. And another Ati Udar. Ati Udar means what? Extreme magnanimity of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And especially in this Kali Yuga, people are, they are completely unqualified. Stupid nonsense Rasta. Kolir Dosa Nidhi Rajana. They are not following any rules and regulations, nothing. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very generous. And though Kali Yuga Jiva is very fallen, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving highest praise.
Why did you choose the follow?
Are you pagal? 2 hours I speaking same kotha because this is his speciality. Because he Varindana Samsundar. This is his speciality. His speciality. Because he's Varindana Samsundar. I told it 2 hours. What did I say? One ordinary rich person giving one cloth, or one emperor also giving same types of cloth. So what is the speciality of the emperor? Do you understand or not?
But I don't understand because why he chose the follow people.
He choose on this is speciality. 2 hours I giving this example, they will remember to me if I give this is his magnanimity. Udar, Oti Udar. One calls you Udar, another is Oti Udar. Udar means magnanimity. Or Oti Udar means extreme magnanimity. This is it. He opened his heart. Krishna is Udar. Krishna is magnanimity in Braj. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Oti Udar. Extreme magnanimity. Why? Because in this Kali he did not discriminate. Who is qualified under Krishna Udar. Krishna is magnanimity. He gave the prem, Braja prem, only inside Braj. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, outside Braj, inside what everywhere. Jare dake tare then prema bila. Take this. Even those who are not want to receive Braja prem, Mahaprabhu chasing behind you. Take this. Why not take it? Understand? Caught his choti and giving, feeding. Take this, take. Hey, why not? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. If not open your mouth, then also to stick, open his mouth and open. 6 types of people, they don't want to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Or Mahaprabhu chasing behind to them and caught. Take this, take, open your mouth. But don't want to open his mouth. Put the stick in his mouth and open and give. This is the special of Lord Chaitanya. What is that? Manjari Bhav. Mahaprabhu, this is that. So these are the 2 things of the second. Nam Prem Prachar. It is duty of the Nam Prem Prachar. This is the Juga Avatar. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same Nam Prem is giving. What the Prem is giving? Not Vaikuntha Prem. He is not giving Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura Prem. He is giving Braj Prem. Even Braj Prem, what Prem he is giving? Even not Dasa, Sakha, Vatsala and Madhava. He is giving the highest Prem, Gopi's Prem. Manjari Bhav. This is very, very confidential. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one disturbed this Prem. This is speciality. Just I told. You did one very nice, beautiful festival in your house. She did also. Same preparation you did. Yesterday I ate your house, same thing. Next day calling Maharaj, come in my house, same preparation. What is that? Okay, you serve very nicely. This is good. Excellent. This is true. But if you did something special, then you will remember to you or not. Understand? Even you also cook one neem patta, they remember, okay, this house, they did not also cook the bitter and sabji. Also remember. And if you do ice cream or chocolate, I don't know, also remember. And same thing where no one remember. Special. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is special. Remember this. For this Nam Prem. Yuga Avatar, they also preach the Nam. Yuga Avatar, they preach the everything. But the speciality, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna, he comes in this Kali Yuga function. Oti Udaharam. Yelo Dhulito Khedaya Vishwadaya. And Sarup Damodar, he also wrote, glorified Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, indiscriminately he distributes this highest prem, not ordinary. Okay? And he also very love and affection to destroy all the unearths, unwanted things from the heart of the living entities. And all Yuga avatars, when they established Yuga Dharma, Varnashram Dharma, they killed the demon. But in the incarnation of Sachinandan Gaurhari, Gaur avatar, he did not kill to anyone. And what is he saying? And Krodhe Nana Astra Dhare, Ebe Astra Na Dharilo, Prane Karo Na Marilo, Hari Naam Diya, Korila Sudhar. Yuga avatar came, Kali avatar come. When General Yuga's Kalki avatar come, then he is due to kill the demon. And he holds the weapon. Even the incarnation of Ram Krishna, they hold the weapons and kill the demon. But in this incarnation Sachinandan Gauri Gaur avatar, he did not hold any weapons. Hano avatare astra na dharila, prane karo namarila, harinam diya korila sudha. This is the present of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Krishna, he killed many demons with his weapons. Ramchandra, he killed many demons with his weapons. But in this incarnation of Sachinandan Gaurhari, Gaur avatar, he did not kill to anyone. But just giving the Harinam and Prem and the heart. Krishna killed Putana. Krishna did not give Prem in the body of Putana. Putana said Prem he did not give. He killed Putana. Then he gave the body of, what is called? Putana's maid servant mother Jashoda. What is her name? Yes, I forget. Putana's transcendental form. Okay. Then she attained to Golok and served to Mother Jashoda, underground Mother Jashoda. Served to Krishna, underground Mother Jashoda. That is called maid service Mandirali. For this Sukdev Goswami Pada explained. Aho Bhakyan Stanakala Kutam Jahansa Prasad Vidhat Pristan Kongba Dalu Saranam Vijanam. Krishna, this is also. But in Braj, Putana, she came in Braj. Then Krishna killed Putana. Then sent to her in Golok. Not also sent her Vrindavan, Golok. There is a boundary of Vrindavan. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not kill to anyone. He did not what is called? What is it? He did not hold any weapon. But his weapon is Harinam. Nam Prem Diya Korila Sudha. This is the present of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, Prem, Anarpita Charing Chirat Karina Patirna Kalo Samarpetu Unnatu Ujjala Sabakti Sriyam Hari Purra Sundara Dudi Kadamba Sandir Pita Sada Hidaya Kandari Spuratuva Sachinandan. Sachinandan Gaur Hari. How is very smart. Anarpita Charing Narpitam Chirakal Nahi Ami Kori Premda. And every time Bhajanana Samsnar, he does not come, or every time he is not giving this time. Our one day of Brahma, he comes in the form of Krishna in Dapar Yuga. Bhajanana Samsnar he comes. But in this Kali Yuga, he comes. Every Kali Yuga, he did not come also. And every Kali Yuga, who will come? Yuga Avatar will come. And Pita Varna. He is Pita Varna. The Yuga Avatar. Look here then. Rukta, what is called? Shukla Rakta. Shukla Rakta Pita. Idanam Krishnatang Gataha. And every Yuga Avatar, their form, their complexion is. Pitvarno, the incarnation, he comes in Kali. That is Kalki. Yes, all Vishnu's. You see this Sukla Raktas Tatha Sukla Ratas Tatha Pita. Idanim Krishnatang Gata. And Sukla Avatar is coming in Satya Yuga. Rakta Avatar Treta Yuga. Dapar Yuga, Krishna. Krishna Avatar. His complexion blackish. At what is called? Kali Yuga, his incarnation, his complexion, Pita Varna. And yellow color. Or Pita Varna.
There was also a Mahaprabhu that was.
Mahaprabhu is come also. This is the Mahaprabhu is the Channa Avatar, Prachanna. And his incarnation of hidden Channa Avatar. No one can realize to him. So this is also many slokas is there. Come on. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. As he is giving this prayer. Anarpita charing chirad karuna avatirna karo samarpayatu unnata ujjala rasam. Rupa Goswami Pada, he is testing the prema of Srimati Radhika. But one the sprinkle drops of his prema he is distributing. That is called Manjari Bhav. Understand? This is Nam Prem Prachad in this. Or another Yuga Dharma re-established. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu re-established Yuga Dharma, Varnashram Dharma, all kinds of Dharma he established. Re-established Varnashram Dharma, no, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jagai, Madhai, they are also out of Varnashram Dharma. They drinking alcohol, doing many stupid nonsense things. But Mahaprabhu purified their heart and reestablished. This way. Mahaprabhu, he also re-established Yuga Dharma, Varnashram Dharma, everybody. Lord Prema. They don't understand. Who did not understand? Understand all? You translate or not? You understand? Okay, now go. Quarter to now about 8. Today is very super excellent auspicious. Advaita Acharya. Actual Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he comes actual calling of Advaita Acharya. If Advaita would not call, he will not come very quick. Maybe he would come. Because Krishna's greed coming to taste the Srimati Radhika's prem. This is true. But maybe he would come later. I don't know when he will come. But when Advaita Acharya called, then Krishna cannot stay. Great devotee.
It's immersion.
Good.